that it receives plenty of fresh water from multiple sources. India is geographically placed in a manner that it receives plenty of fresh water from multiple sources. Therefore, it is well endowed with fresh water resources. However, several factors like poor management of water resources have resulted into water scarcity in India. Several factors like poor management of water resources have resulted into water scarcity in India. Causes of water scarcity can be discussed under the following heads. It is well endowed with fresh water resources. Poor management of water resources, water scarcity. This has an industrial discharge of industrial and municipal waste into the rivers have made river water unfit for human use. Most of the rivers are polluted at levels considered unsafe by the modern standard. Water of the Yamuna, Ganga and the Sabarmati flow with a deadly mix of pollutants, both hazardous and organic. Rainwater. Average annual rainfall received by India is higher than that of world average. However, the unequal distribution of rainfall, sporadic nature of monsoon, and poor rainwater harvesting practices result into most of the rainwater being flushed into drains. Most of the rainwater being flushed into drains and oceans, higher than that of the world average. Unequal distribution of rainfall, sporadic nature monsoons, poor rainwater harvesting practices. Most of the rainwater being flushed into drain and ocean. Groundwater. India groundwater stands as roughly 1/4 of the global usage. 1/4. Unregulated exploitation of groundwater for irrigation, domestic and the industrial purpose has severely reduced the water table. Further, groundwater in many areas is being polluted by mining activities. Irrigation, domestic, industrial. Ponds, lakes. India is endowed with millions of big, small ponds and lakes. Endowed. That is poor management. Is well endowed with fresh water. Millions of big and small ponds and lakes. But activities like washing clothes and animals in the pond. And animals in the pond, dumping waste, encroachment around the lakes have degenerated them. Climatic change increases in the incidence of droughts and reduce annual precipitation in drought-prone regions. Overpopulated cities create pressure on natural resources. Problem of water scarcity. Low awareness water usage sufficiency coupled with increasing purchasing power of the people has increased demand leading to magnification of the problems. Lack of recycling capacity. Reuse has led to reduction. Washing clothes and animals in the pond. Activities like washing clothes and animals in the pond, dumping waste, encroachment around the lakes have degenerated them. Climatic change increases incidence of droughts and reduce annual create pressure on world. India is endowed with a million of big and small ponds and lakes. Passing catches animal like in the unnecessary pond, dumping waste encroachment around the lakes have degenerated them. Increase incidence of droughts and reduce annual precipitation in drought-prone regions. Overpopulated cities create pressure on the natural resources. Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata are the three mega cities of the country, but the air pollution is a much more serious problem. Most of the major cities of India severely suffer from air pollution because the multiple factors like increased number of vehicles. Increased number of vehicles, industrial pollution, high population density. Air pollution is a more serious problem in Delhi as compared to other mega cities. Delhi witnessed continental climate as it landlocked from all sides, so the harmful particles present in the air are not being dispersed into the surrounding area. Cities are Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. Xi'an falls under the maritime climate region, regulated for their pollution levels. Chennai. Xi'an falls under the maritime climate. Location in the continental climate region, Delhi witness extreme temperature both in summer and winter. Falling temperature and fog during winters enable the air polluting particles to settle down close to the surface of Earth. Level of air pollution is highest during the winters in Delhi. Delhi is surrounded by the industrial towns, hosting numbers of pollution emitting units. Okhla, Faridabad and Noida industrial regions. Faridabad, Noida, Gurgaon. Sometimes particles of the stubble burning in the adjacent state of Punjab, Haryana during the winter months has further added into air pollution. Stubble burning nearest state Haryana, Punjab, it added the pollution level to air pollution level. While there is such practices in cities like Mumbai, Chennai. There is no such practice cities like Mumbai, Chennai, and both natural and man-made factors are responsible for a higher degree of pollution in Delhi. What needs to be done is efficient management.